first video. And this first video, I am going to be doing a Bloxburg house tour. Yeah, man, why is my windows closed? I hate them closed. But oh my gosh, why is this here? But anyways, today I already told y'all. Before I get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for the next time I do this video. No, it's getting dark. No. But you just hurry up and finish. No, I think it's sunrising. I don't know. But just get started. So here's my little garden, little small garden, nothing that big. Ooh, look at that house. That look great. But yeah, my interior, I like the style. I actually really like it. Oh yeah, guys, this was a YouTube style house. So the person I copied, whatever, it was a video how to make this. I'm going to be linking down below if you like this kind of house. Yeah, I'm actually not done on the inside, like in the living room, and that's it. That's all. I'm not done with it, just the living room. I just need to do a little bit of stuff in there. It's like some plants, just 2 plants. That's all I need to put in there. But just get in the house. So when you come in here, it's the walkway. Why is my door open? Okay, so when you walk in here, here's a little plain hallway. Oh yeah, and I need to do the hallway too. It's not actually done with the hallway and stuff. Here I need to change this walk room thing. Here's the living room, pink little seat and area, the TV. Cut that off. A bookshelf. Here's the plants that I'm gonna put in here. The plants right there and plant right there. Yeah. So here's that living room. Actually, it's small, but I don't really need a big living room. It would just need a couch and a TV. That's all I need. But yeah, that's all for that room. Here's the kitchen. Oh yeah, I remember when I did a role play on my friend's channel, and we forgot to drink this drink. I'm not trying to wash dishes right now. Would it actually clean? Yeah, so here's my little small, actually I say big kitchen. Yeah, here's a little table, little kitchen. I would say this part is small because I could barely cook my stuff because I have to cut them up. Some of those food I need to put on the counter, and I don't have any counters. Well, I do over here, but it won't let me put it over there because, yeah. A bookshelf under there. I don't know why I'm sitting on the table, but yeah. When you walk over here, it's the stairway, and here's the bathroom. Let's cut the light on. It's too dark in here. Ooh. Okay, open. And open. Open. Okay, yeah, here's the bathroom. I need to put more light in here. But here's the toilet. Yeah, I'm sitting on the toilet. Here's the sink area, the bath, and yeah. That's the plant that I want to put in the living room. Yeah. Okay, let's close the door. I don't like my doors open. But yeah, that's all from downstairs. Now you just go to upstairs. So here's the walkway. Oh yeah, I can't really say anything about that because he was doing a role play, like I said. Here's a little hallway. Yeah, hallway with a rug and a plant. Y'all will see plants not everywhere, but somewhere. Yeah. Over to my room. I keep on saying why. I know why because I was doing a role play. Yeah. Here's the my room, and here is the baby room too. Let me make my bed. My bed is so messy. Yeah. So yeah. Here's the kids' room with the baby stuff. Yeah, all of the rooms don't have no TV. I don't know why, but yeah. Here's my room. Here's the small bathroom. Okay, let's open the windows. Here's the small bathroom. Yeah. Now let's close the door. Oh yeah, I didn't cut the light on in here. Oh my gosh, cut the light on. Okay. Now let's go into the kid room. Well, yeah, this is the kid room. Here's the, ooh, they make their bed. Okay, so here's the kid room, the dressers, just a normal room. See, a plant right there, and a plant up there, I told you. Yeah, sitting area, 2 sitting areas. I need to rotate that around. Here's sitting area. I should have put a TV in here, but they didn't add no TV, so I just follow the directions. Okay, here is the teen room, and it's the last room. Yeah. See, a plant right here. Okay, here's a teen gonna make their bed. Oh okay, and I need to open those windows. I don't blame the person who did a role play with me. Yeah, I didn't mind that because we was doing our morning routine and stuff. Yeah. So here's the teen room. Now is this light? Oh no, it's off. Oh no. This light is. Alright, now it's bright. Okay, let me cut this light off. Ooh. Well, it's not that. Lighting. Yeah. Here's my avatar. Okay, and that is it for my house. Tour. I hope you like it and enjoy more videos of me on Bloxburg, because I'm going to be doing a whole lot of videos on Bloxburg. But anyway, if I do, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on those videos. You should have done this at first, but I can't even lie that I did this the same thing. So this it is. So I'd like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications at the end of people's video, because I don't want to like the video if the video's not great. But that is pretty okay if you didn't like the video. That's actually really okay. Yeah. And I need to decorate some more in this house. Yeah.